Today, we will learn the fastest method of finding HCF. Find HCF of 36 and 24 using division method or Euclid's algorithm. Step 1. Divide the larger number by the smaller number. In this case, when we divide 36 by 24, we get 1 as the quotient and 12 as the remainder. Step 2. If the remainder is not 0, then the remainder becomes the new divisor and the previous divisor becomes the new dividend. In this case, 12 becomes the new divisor and 24 becomes the new dividend. When we divide 24 by 12, we get 2 as the quotient and 0 as the remainder. Step 3. If the remainder is 0, then the last divisor is the HCF. Therefore, HCF of 36 and 24 is 12. Got it? Thank you for watching. If this video found useful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.